potato dosa. Now, the ingredients needed for preparing potato dosa are these. 1 bowl idli penny rice, half bowl urid dal, 1 very small coconut scraped, then salt as per your need. When you prepare, before preparing, 1 spoon of cooking soda. Along with that, 3 big potatoes. If it is little big also no problem, but should not be small, that's all. This you have to cook separately and then grind it in a mixie. So these two items you have to soak in water for 2 hours and then grind it into a paste. This you have to separately grind and this separately grind and then mix it everything together, and instantly you can prepare soft potato dosa. There is no need of fermentation for the same. See, now I have already prepared the dough. The dosa batter I have already prepared. See, here I have added 1 bowl ponni rice, half bowl urid dal, 1 small full coconut scraped, and 3 big potatoes. The consistency of the dough should be of this style. Now let us see how to prepare dosa. Now my dosa pan is preheated. Now we will start preparing potato dosa. Now let us see whether dosa is ready. Yeah, it's ready. Now if you want, you can apply little ghee, otherwise also it's okay, and no need of turning around. This itself is good. Now we'll just lift the dosa. In this particular type of dosa, if you want, you can avoid urid dal. If you want, because urid dal texture and the potato texture is one and the same. So if you can avoid urid dal and just rice, potato and coconut is enough. Then also the dosa will be tasty. To get an added taste, I have added urid dal, but it's actually not necessary. So you can prepare in both styles, and any type of chutneys you can add along with this as a side dish for this potato dosa. So once again, try at home, and if you are happy about it, please comment through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.